In this video, I'm teaching you everything you need to know about data entry, including the skills you need and how to perform the most common tasks, so you'll be ready to start working by the end. Everything I share is based on real experience learning and mastering data entry. Data entry is the process of inputting, updating, or managing data in a computer system or database using tools like Excel, Word, or Google Sheets, usually by taking information from sources like PDFs, images, or other spreadsheets and organizing it into a clean, readable format. Almost every business needs data entry, so instead of doing it themselves, they often hire a virtual assistant. To start, you need a few basic skills: typing speed and accuracy, which you can improve through practice or by using the free website typing.com, basic computer knowledge, which develops the more you use a computer, and the ability to browse the internet, upload and download files, and use email. After that, the video walks through common data entry tasks like taking submissions from a Google form, downloading the responses, extracting the zip file, opening the spreadsheet, expanding columns, cleaning the data, removing fields the client doesn't need, adding headers, formatting the sheet so it's easy to read, and removing entries that don't meet the client's requirements, such as people charging above a stated budget or failing to include an email or portfolio link. Another example is when clients send handwritten notes and your job is to retype them neatly into Google Docs or Microsoft Word, which mainly requires accuracy and typing speed. For accuracy, you can use Grammarly, a free tool that checks your writing, highlights mistakes, and lets you fix each error with one click. And you can install the browser extension so feedback appears automatically. The more you practice typing, browsing, Excel, Google Sheets, and general computer use, the better you'll get. And although Excel and Sheets may take a bit longer to master, consistent practice will make them easier. If you want to become an expert in data entry, the key is steady practice and continuous improvement. At the end, you're invited to watch the next full virtual assistant course video to learn how to start finding clients, and to like and subscribe if the video is helpful.